Alright, off to pick up a new project. Here we go. Hey guys, how's it going? So I thought I'd make a little bike adventure build series. I'm just going to install 3 things today. Windshield, sprocket cover, bash plate. Completely stock bike at the moment, as you can see. These mods are not going to be in any particular order of importance. I'm just going to put on what I've got at the moment and just go from there. So first things first, we'll put this bash plate on. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you got to take this engine mount off, the 14mm, and then you put the 2 little brackets on, and on the bash plate, and then you put the bash plate on second. So we'll crack this loose, pull the engine mount out, and then go from there. Okay, so the engine mount's out. You got some very simple instructions. So these mounts go on like so. Put the engine mount back in, and then you mount the bash plate onto here. Probably going to put a little light film of grease on that mount, and also Loctite on these bolts. So let's get into that. Alright, so that's the skid plate. Really like the look of them. Good quality. Just the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. All Loctited. Like I said before, I greased the engine mount. So that's that. Off to the next thing. Alright, so the sprocket cover. Take off the plastic one. Put this one on. I'm sure all of you guys know how to do this stuff anyway. I think it's about 3 8mm bolts by the looks of it. So I'll whack them off, put this on, show you guys how it looks. So that's it, just sitting there, looks pretty good. I was just going to say, I don't know about you guys, but I always have the bolts laying on the ground in the order that I took them off. But then I realised they supply shorter Allen key type, so I'll put them in. You don't necessarily have to put Loctite on these, the factory didn't. So I'll just put them on. Nice and snug, good to go. Alright, so that's that. Should protect the cases a little bit. Let's move on to the windshield. So with the windshield, you take the cowling off. One here, one on the other side, one on the front there. Take it off, measure it out for 3 holes. I think there's one here, one here, one here. So I'll take my time on that. Okay, so that's the cowling off. The 3 screws. Go draw out these, or measure out these holes, and then put it back on. And then, before someone asks, I will take off the top roller. Probably going to take off the pillion pegs there too. And what else is there? Kickstand switch. Probably disconnect that. Alright, so let's get into it. So I've just temporarily mounted it, taped it on to what I think looks straight. Yeah, it looks pretty straight. And then I'm just going to use a small pilot hole first with the drill, and then finished. Alright, so it looks pretty straight to me. That's probably going to do it for this video. Got a few more things to do, like the fuel tank and that I have. I'll put that in another video, so the video's not too long. So, looking good so far. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time.